everyone, welcome to day 18. We're going to be working today on percent word problems. And the way we do percent word problems is by identifying the part, the whole, and the percent. Our key proportion for today is part over whole equals percent over 100. I'm even going to highlight it again because it's super important. Okay, so I'm going to teach you how to identify key information. So again, we're looking for the part, we're looking for the whole or the total, and the percent. So in the first example, we have 40% of students in the class prefer pepperoni pizza. If there are 50 total students in the class, how many students prefer pepperoni? So the easy one is to identify the part. The percent. And the percent here is whatever has a percent sign next to it. 40%. So we can quickly fill that in. The whole is the one that is next to the total. So if you see a total amount, that's going to be your whole. And the part is what we're looking for, so we're going to name that X. Now we can use this information to put together our proportion. Our part, X, over our whole, 50, equals percent, 40, over 100. And we're going to solve this just like we did in the last lesson. We're going to cross multiply. So we have 100 times X is 100X equals 50 times 40 is going to give us 2,000. 20. Yes. So we're going to divide both sides by 100 to get X alone. And so X equals 20. So that means there were 20 people who prefer pepperoni. Let's move on to the next example. See what we can identify here. 60 is 75% of what number? So the word, or the easy thing to identify here again, is our percent. Has a percent sign next to it, so we can quickly write that down. Whoops. I wrote there when I wasn't supposed to. Let's change the color. Let's do, we could go with a nice orange today. So the percent is 75. The part that's next to the is going to be our part because we're looking for of what number. So we're looking to find that total because we use the word of there. So that's going to be our hint. So 60 is our part. If we don't know the whole, we're going to just label that X. So now we're going to use our handy-dandy formula, and we're going to fill in. 60 is our part, X is our whole, equals, our percent is 75, over 100. So now, this is when we're going to cross multiply. 75 times X is 75X equals 60 times 100 is going to be 6,000. We're going to divide both sides by 75 because this is just like our one-step equation and get X equals 80. Beautiful. Last but not least, in a room full of 200 people, 25 of them purchased concert tickets. What percentage of people in the room purchased concert tickets? This is easy. They're saying what percent is there. So that's what we're looking for. So we're going to label that X. The whole is the total amount of the people in the room, which is 200, and the part is 25. So let's set up our proportion. Part over whole, 25 over 100 equals, 25 over 200 equals X over 100. Cross multiply. We get 200X equals 2,500. When we divide both sides by 200 to get X alone, we we get X equals 12.5. So that means 12.5% of people already purchased concert tickets. All right. Thank you guys. Have a lovely day, and I will see you next time.